Testing of the viability of a particular yam tuber. You see, yam tuber is not all the yam tuber you see that are viable. Yes, there are some yam tuber that are not viable. And that is one of the main reasons why some farmers do complain that some of their yams tuber do not, sprout or do not germinate. It's because of the fact that you are putting let me say, a tuber that is not viable during the time of planting. And that is the main reason why it's garbage in, garbage out. If you put in the wrong tuber, I tell you, such a tuber will not perform, will not even sprout out. And if it struggles to sprout out, it will not graduate to the maturity stage. And that is why it's very important for a farmer to check the tuber of yam you are planting. And how do you test the viability? And that's my bone of contention in this video. To know the viability of a particular yam tuber is very simple. As a farmer, camera, please move closer. You need to check. When you look at the yam itself, you see the way this particular yam looks. So this yam, if you look at the back side, you find out that it's already shrinkable. So this particular yam, I tell you, is not viable. Now, how do you know? When you take your nail to peel it, you see, if I peel it, can you see what I'm seeing? So when you peel it this way, you see the way it looks. So that tells you this particular yam is not viable. Can you see? The cell is already dead. Can you see? You see the way it looks. So when you notice this, it tells you that this particular yam tuber is not viable. So the chances of surviving let me say, is 20 to 100. So in that wise, this kind of yam tuber is not recommended for planting. So now you look for another one that is viable. Now, for example, look at this. Look at this now. This is another one. If I want to test the viability of this, I will just peel it little side like this. Can you see? You see? By the time I peel, you can see the whitish, you notice. So the back side is how to easily identify, to know the particular yam is viable. You can see the back side now. This one, when you peel it a little like this, so you can see whitey it brings. So when you notice this, that tells you that this particular yam is viable and is good for planting. So it's very important. When you check that, you just plant it easily. That's this. This is see, this one is okay, and it's not too big and it's not too small for a particular heat.